This is a recording of using the mean, median, and mode commands. We have a list of 30 numbers, and we want to calculate the mean. We can go anywhere on the page or anywhere on any page and begin the command with an equal sign and then AVER, and it will bring up average and a couple of other versions of average. We just want average. Double click on that, or you can spell it out. And then block the numbers. Mark the numbers. Close the parenthesis and enter. And there is the average. The other way to get the average is to use an automatic command. And this will be in home, and this screen is a little bit small so that the editing here shows up a little differently. In a larger screen, you will see these items under editing. One of these is the auto sum command. This is where all the automatic commands are. And if you click on the down arrow, you can get the sum, the average, the count, the max, and the min, and there's more functions that you can get. But to use this, you have to be at the end of a list of numbers. Then, Home tab, Editing, click on the down arrow, and then we want the average. And it goes from bottom to top, top to bottom. It gets all of the numbers marked. That's why you have to be at the end of that list of numbers. And then press enter, and there is the average again. So you can get the average using the average command here, or you can get the average using the automatic command, which uses the same average function. It just comes a little easier. To find the median of the list of numbers, there is no automatic command. So it's equals and MED, and the only command that starts with this is median. You can spell it out and do the parentheses yourself. But then we have to mark all the numbers for which we want the median. Close it, press enter, and here is the median for that list of numbers. The mode is the most often occurring value, and in this particular data set we have numbers to one decimal place. So there's not likely to be a mode. Mark the numbers, put in equals mode, close the parentheses, and in this case there is no mode. There's no high spot, there's no number repeated twice. Also in this, we can get the minimum and the maximum, and these are the same as before. Equals min, mark the numbers, close the parentheses, and the minimum is 77. The next cell equals max, and run up the list, and that's the maximum. Now, since we aren't using the automatic commands, you can go anywhere on this page or any other page, equals max, then mark the numbers that you want to deal with, close it, and there's the maximum. Same as the maximum from that other command. If you want to use the automatic commands in editing on the Home tab, click on the little down arrow, and the sum, the average, count, max, and min, You can use these automatic commands, but you must be at the end of the list of numbers.